Anton the vain ant. At the foot of a giant tree, ants worked day and night gathering food. Soon there came a sporty ant named Anton, proudly juggling some cherries. While climbing up a tree, Anton heard a soft voice. He picked up a leaf, and underneath lay Misha, the caterpillar. She lay cocooned, and the cocoon was not at all attractive. So Anton did what Anton does and started to tease her. Misha was disheartened, but Anton kept on making funny faces at her. He also made fun of Misha because she could not do the tricks he could on the cherry tree. And soon Anton went off on his way, leaving Misha behind. But she was very sad and very hurt. A few days later, Anton came back to the same branch, searching for food. He remembered Misha and picked up the leaf, but he found no one. Anton started to walk away from the place. Suddenly, a huge shadow fell on him. When he turned around, Anton saw the most beautiful butterfly in the whole wide world smiling right back at him. After a few moments, he recognized that it was Misha. She had become very pretty. Anton felt ashamed for having made fun of Misha, but Misha, being Misha, forgave him. The moral of the story? A person should never be judged by the way he or she looks, because you are perfect just the way you are. Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.